Hey, what's going on, dudes and dudettes? This is Pip Surfer again for another daily update for the Cowabunga system. Today is Wednesday, January 7th, 2009. Hope you all had a great trading day today. And without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and get right into today's update. I have open a 15-minute and 4-hour chart for the cable. And first thing I want to do is go ahead and take a look at today's trend. And this is what my chart looked like before midnight. And you can see that my last trend change candle was back on January 1st, and that was for an uptrend. And since then, we have not seen any new trend change candles, and so therefore the trend remained up. And today, once again for the third day, we are looking only for long trades. Now that I have that, I could zoom into my 15-minute chart and move back to just before midnight so you can see what my chart looked like. And I'm going to take a look at the news events for the day. And you can go to babypips.com, click on this tools tab, and you'll see all the news for today's trading day. And remember, we're only looking for news that affects the dollar or the sterling. And you can see really the only major news event was at 8:15, and that was the USD ADP non-farm employment change. But other than that, we pretty much had a wide open day. So 8:15 was the only time area to watch out for, and we're only looking for long trades. So now I can just move my chart forward one candle at a time. And here we get a crossover very early on at 12:30. RSI is above 50, stochastics trending up, and MACD was negative and gaining value. So this is a valid entry. The entry is at the close of the candle at 49.16. Our stops at the most recent swing low at 48.81. And our target is at the nearest 50 or 0 level, right, at 49.50. And I'm not near any news events, so I'm okay. And I'll just let the trade move on. You can see that my target was hit right here at 245. It was actually just spiked up, so we didn't get a clean break here, so I exited as quick as I could. I got out at 49.42, so not at 49.50, but still, I was able to grab some pips there. So that was one trade in the bag, and then we just simply store that in the database and move on to the next trade. And I'll just move my chart forward one candle at a time. And so far, nothing's going on. Here we get another crossover at 5:45 a.m. and RSI is above 50, stochastics trending up, and MACD has gone from negative to positive. This makes this another valid entry. So we would enter at the close of this candle, which is at 49.25. Our stop's going to be at the most recent swing low, and the nearest 50 level is at 49.50 again. And this gives us about 25 pips of potential profit. And again, I'm not near any news events yet, so I can just let my trade go on. You can see that my trade was hit at 6:45. Price did not make a clean break, so you want to exit your trade here. I got out at 49.44, and so that's another trade won. And then we just move that in our brains and just get ready for another trade if we see one. And you can see price continue to move up, and it's about 8 o'clock now, so there's the ADP employment report. And then if I just move on towards the day, you can see that momentum was just totally with the uptrend, the uptrend that's going on right now. And so we had no other signals for the day. So we had two trades, two winners, and that's pretty much all she wrote. I mean, it's pretty self-explanatory. Again, the system is very simple to follow. If you have any questions, though, feel free to ask them. I'll be more than happy to answer them as best as I can. But until the next update, I will see you all later. Cowabunga, dudes.